We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
Matace carpet tiles are for you. One of my favorite feelings on a cold winter morning is to just walk across a nice soft carpet. Now you can do it yourself with the DIY install Matace carpet tiles. It's quick DIY installation that's a great alternative to permanent and expensive carpet install. When you get these, all you have to do is remove the paper backing. It uses a polymer backing that requires no adhesive. So all you do is lay this on your floor, and once it's in place, it does not move. Anyone can install these, and you don't even need tools. You can cover an entire room or just create a floating rug like I've done here. You can create any size rug and lay these in any arrangement you want using different colors or the same color. When you place the squares tightly next to one another on the floor, you really can't tell where the seams are, especially after you run a vacuum over it. I love having vinyl plank floors because they're so easy to clean, and it's just way easier to sanitize if my dog makes a mess. But in the winter especially, I do miss the comfort and cozy feeling of walking on carpet. Especially for Christmas, when you're on the floor for a long time doing something like gift wrapping or unwrapping presents on Christmas morning with your whole family. It makes it so much more comfortable, and it's a great way to protect your floors from messes made by little kids, dogs, cats, and critters, or maybe even the adults. If they have a little too much wine and spill on the carpet during a holiday party, it's stain resistant. And even if it does get damaged, you can easily replace the square with a new one. Just pull it off and throw it away. Get your Matace carpet tiles today to make sure you have them in time for your family's holiday celebration. Use the link in the description of this video and use my code JESSICA18 for 18% off your entire order. If you're not sure you want to commit to covering an entire room, just go to their website and use the code FREESAMPLE to get a free sample like this. They'll send it to you in the mail, and you can get the look and feel of it to see if it's right for your room. So order your carpet tiles now to make sure you're ready for your family's holiday celebration. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!